Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and today's video I will show you on how to simply access Google Gemini AI tool on laptop and PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then open up your Chrome browser, make sure you come to the top right there, click on this dot, and this is going to drop down. Then here you can simply scroll down all the way down until you see. Then here you can simply scroll down all the way down until you see Google Gemini. But in some cases, if you cannot find Google Gemini AI tool right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you navigate to more from Google. Click on that. Then it's going to load up to all Google products page like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to all Google apps from the bottom right here. Okay, these are all Google apps right here. So what we're interested right here is to navigate to Google Gemini right here. So simply click on Gemini and it's load up to another page like so. Now, if you have not yet logged in with your Gmail account or with your Google account and password, you'll be asked to log in before you can have access to this interface. Once you log in, you have access to this particular interface. Then right here, you can start using your Google Gemini. Now, how do you use Google Gemini? There are various ways by which you can use Google Gemini to improve your productivity on. Okay. Now, one of the ways to use Google Gemini, you can come to the Ask Gemini question right here. You can ask Gemini that how to fry plantain. Then so once you send, in a few seconds, Google Gemini is going to give you an explanation, step-by-step guide on how you can simply fry plantain. Just like what you see right here, you can see Google Gemini was able to give us about 3 to 4 different steps on how you can simply fry plantain. Now, if you're satisfied with the results you got from Google Gemini, it is advisable to click on this particular good response right here. This allows Google Gemini to improve, and this allows Google to improve on their Google Gemini AI. So actually correct, then you can simply hit on submit. That is that. Then you can simply scroll down right here, and then now under this particular same result, you can simply click on some of the link right here. Suggested related topic, how to fry plantain. How long does it take for plantain to fry? Why do you need to soak plantain before fry? So you can proceed with your search on the Google. So you have everything right there. Click on show more. Then you see some of the reason why you need to make your plantain to be soaked before you fry. So you can see the itemized right here. Now you can go back to Google Gemini. Right here, you can ask Google Gemini, can you please make me a, can you please make a visual effect of the above topic, and then just send. So wait for some seconds. So these are visual effects of the plantain. As you can see right here, it's going to give us different pictures and different state of plantain. These are ripe one and these are unripe one. These are plantain that have been fried, and some of the picture on how you can start the processing of fried plantain. This is just a basic examples on how you can use Google Gemini. There are much way to use Google Gemini to improve productivity. Now, this particular one right here, you can decide to proceed with some of the questions at the in the long run. So it's as simple as that. Another way to use Google Gemini is to upload your picture on Google Gemini. Let's, for instance, you click on this particular icon right there, upload a picture, and then it will take you to where you need to simply upload a picture from your PC. So I will go to my download folder right here. Then right here, I will select a picture right there and I will click on open. Now, I will ask a question as regard to this particular image, and the question simply means that can you please extract text from the image or photo? Then I will send. So in a few seconds, we wait for result as fast as it. So just like so, this is the picture I upload right here. Two-step verification is on. You will need to enter your PIN. So, these are what exactly we have on the picture. So I can simply click on the picture for you to see. So you can see the picture right here. Okay, these are the picture I upload to Google Gemini, and I have Google Gemini to extract the text out of the picture. It's as simple as that. So you can go on and use your Google Gemini for whatsoever productivity you want to use it for. Another way to use Google Gemini is to make use of the camera, is to make use of this particular icon right here, which is use mic. So for you to use a mic to ask Google Gemini a question, what you need to do is to simply click on the mic. And when you click on the mic, then make sure you allow the mic to have access to your PC. So for you to do that, simply click on allow Wi-Fi visit the site, allow this time. So I can simply choose on allow Wi-Fi visit the site. Now you start asking your question. So listening. Google Gemini is listening to whatever you say, asking whatever question you want to ask. Then once you are done, send the question. And so in some cases, you may have some network issue as far as mic transmission is concerned on Google Gemini. So whichever way, these are the best three ways to have access to Google Gemini and how best you can use Google Gemini on your PC for any productivity of your choice. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.